Hello guys, welcome back to Intro Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to reverse videos on Snap. So first you have to go to Snapchat and just open the Snap and do any kind of capture anything and just post this as a story. So it is very simple. Just as you can see that I'm going to do with my fingers and just post something in between, and once after that, now as you can see that, now you have to scroll this up and you have to swipe it again, keep swiping in between, and you have to keep on swiping to the left side and keep on swiping once again. And now as you can see that, this is what it is all about. It is been reversed. As you can see that the story has been reversed. So this is about how to reverse a story in Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. And this is Shahin officially signing off from Get Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.